Hi everybody, I am here today with a quick project share for you. Now you may have seen this box already. I did a tutorial of the box decorating it a while back, but today I am on the Graphic 45 YouTube channel and blog with the project that is inside of the box, so I can now share this project here. Inside of my box, I have a tag album and it was designed to fit perfectly inside of here. It's using the Graphic 45 regular tags and tag dies. There is a full tutorial for this. I will link it in the description box below. It will take you to the Graphic 45 YouTube channel where that tutorial is. Now in my little album here, I use the Deck the Halls paper collection, just like with the box. I've used lots of the Graphic 45 metal dies in my die cutting machine. And then I have also used my chipboard pieces on multiple of the pages. So I will link the pieces down below in case you would like to purchase these to make this project. This project does have a corset style binding, but if you didn't want to do the binding like this, you could just put the ring on it that comes with the Graphic 45 tags in the tag album package. Now the album here only has 6 tags, and each of the tags has room on the back side for 3x4 size photos. There's lots of fussy cutting in here, so especially if you don't happen to have the ephemera for a collection, you can fussy cut, you can use the dies like here, and you can add additional embellishments. There's a lot of layering here and there's a lot of dimension, so that's what does make this album a little bit chunkier when you look at it like this. So I've got these photo mats here that actually pull out, so you could put a photo on each side of these. Now, if you didn't want to do that, you could actually put these photos stationary in here, and I show you how you can do that in the tutorial. I'm not sure if it's easy to see on camera, but hopefully you can see some of the shimmer here because I did use some Nuvo drops on this to add some glittery sparkle, as well as on the holly leaves here. There's also pearls on each page as well. So the front sides of the tags are completely decorated, and then the back sides are where the, I need to put that back on. The back sides are where the little photo mats are for your photos. And I guess you could actually put another photo on the page so that one is stationary on the page and then the other ones are removable. So you could actually add 3 per tag. Again, lots of layering here. Back side of this one, all of them have that fussy cutting. So there is a theme throughout of fussy cut pieces and some pearls and sparkles on every page. And then on the fronts of each page, there are the chipboard embellishments and the flowers. I tried to use these white photo mats throughout as the photo spot for our photos, but you could use any color here if you choose to make this with this collection, or if you make it with a different collection. Obviously, the paper doesn't have to be this white color. And then there's the last one, and I did choose to add another spot on the back instead of just making it like a back cover of the album. I wanted it to be functional, so there is enough for each of these, so you could hold 12 to 18 photos in this little album. Now, if you are interested in purchasing the album and the little MDF storage box to match, I am going to be listing these for sale as well, so go ahead and check that description box below where there will be a link for this on my website. So the website will be linked for the chipboard pieces as well as the box, and then the links for the tutorial for the box as well as the little album. Everything will be found in the description box below. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.